Welcome back, guys. This is Henry1502 Inc. I'm back, and today we're going to be doing our first project in Python with Codecademy. Now, what this project basically is all about is it's taking a bill and then it's assigning it a tax, so it and plus tip. So it's pretty much a realistic program. If you're not cheap like me, most of us do tip when we go out to eat. This will show you what you need to be tipping. So what we want to do is we want to start off by declaring a variable called meal. This will hold the initial cost of the meal that you are purchasing, $44.50. Moving on to the next lesson. So what we need to do is we need to assign the tax. Now you can either, if you are smart, you can either do whatever 6.75 divided by 100 is. If you guys don't know, it's 0.0675, but I like to do something along the lines of this, just to be sure. You can print it out if you don't believe me. You will get 0.065 if you guys didn't believe me. So moving on to the next lesson, what we want to do here is we want to get the value of the tip. So generally Codecademy is saying you should leave about a 15% tip. That's ridiculous. I don't, but that's not what, I'm not like most people. So what we want to do is we want to assign the tip, let's say 0.05. You can also do 0.15 divided by 100. It still will get you 0.05, but I like to do this directly. So moving on to the next lesson. So for this, we will be reassigning the meals variable. And what I mean by that is we will be reassigning it so it can incorporate the tax. So we don't have to really worry about multiplying it up. So what we want to do is we want to call the meal variable, reassign it. So meal plus meal times tax. So what this does is it takes meal, which is 44.5, and then it takes meal over here and it just multiplies it by the tax, and whatever this is, it's going to add it with this, with 44.5. If you guys are curious, you just print out meal and it will tell you what the current price is, 47.50 cents approximately. So moving on to the next lesson, for line 8, what you basically want to do, you want to create a new variable called total, and it's going to take in consideration the meal, which does still have the tax added onto it. And then you want to call up the meal again, and then you just want to multiply it by the tip. So remember, since line 7 has meal times tip incorporated plus the tip incorporated, line 8 is basically taking what's the value of line 7 and it's incorporating the tip, and we just print it out on the line. If you don't really worry about this is all about formatting. You'll learn that later. So save and submit, and we get 54.63 cents as your total expenses. Pretty much a $10 markup. Add, like, subscribe, comment down below. This is Henry1502 Inc. I'm out.